Well, I just found some very beginner-friendly work from home job, as in no related work experience is required for these opportunities. So I'm just going to jump right into them. So I'm going to start off with a group premium services representative with the company Mutual of Omaha, because you need to get your application in by August 13th, 2025 if you like this job. So this is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. And right here on this job description, they tell us the hourly wage is $21.38 plus an annual bonus opportunity and your standard suite of benefits. So you'll be working in a fast-paced environment, and your main responsibility will be to ensure timely and accurate group premium processing. So you'll perform premium processing, address customer inquiries, and maintain confidentiality. You'll resolve issues to exceed customer expectations while maintaining efficiency, quality, and timeliness. You'll analyze statements, oversee premium payments for groups, and uphold data integrity in company systems, ensure accuracy in billing statements and premium payments, and identify, evaluate, and resolve eligibility in billing entries. You'll identify and communicate premium and eligibility errors, maintain cert holder eligibility and premium application, and ensure full compliance with coverage requirements outlined in policyholder contracts and relevant state and federal regulations. So what you bring in this position is a strong background in working with numbers in a billing capacity. Now, they're not saying you need to have related work experience in this position. As long as you're comfortable working with numbers and doing billing, I think you're good to apply for this position. You're comfortable using computers, you have really good data entry skills as well as strict attention to detail. You have excellent customer service and relationship building skills, you're able to learn quickly, and you have strong communication skills. And they list some preferred qualifications, and as far as I'm concerned, these are just preferred, they're not required. They prefer you have advanced Microsoft Excel knowledge. They also prefer you have experience in professional office roles involving insurance products and accounting. And they prefer you have knowledge of contract provisions and you're able to communicate in terms a customer can understand regarding premium collection. So that's it for this easy work from home job. Let's move on to the next. MotiveCare has an opening for an Equipment Recovery Coordinator Level 1. So this is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions. Now this job was posted 13 days ago, but it is still on their careers page, so I can only assume this job is still available. So in this position, you'll be responsible for interacting with clients and client representatives via phone, email, and/or mail to secure the return of company rental equipment. This includes receiving, investigating, and responding to all customer inquiries regarding shipments, products, and complaints. So in other words, you'll respond to requests and assist with inquiries, do some problem resolution, clarifying issues, research and explore answers and alternative solutions. You'll implement solutions to issues and/or escalate unresolved issues, answer client questions using scripted and non-scripted responses, and record details of calls and messages. You'll maintain access to and security of highly sensitive materials, refer client complaints to appropriate parties, and maintain protocol information supplied from reference materials, memos, and training sessions. So that's really cool. It sounds like they're going to give you some training in this position. You also place outbound calls to clients and client representatives to discuss returning company equipment, recognize, document, and alert manager of trends in calls and communications received, maintain detailed files for documentation, update customer files as warranted, and attempt to convert clients who lose coverage through government agencies and third parties to private pay clients and persuade clients to reconsider cancellation. So what they want from you is a high school diploma or a GED and 0 years of experience. As long as you have a high school diploma or a GED, you don't need any experience. If you don't have a high school diploma or a GED, they'd like you to have equivalent combination of education and/or experience. You're self-motivated, you can work independently as well as within teams. You're proficient in the use of Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. You're an excellent communicator. You can manage multiple tasks at the same time. You can work flexible hours, including overtime when needed. And they prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you're bilingual in English and Spanish. So you'll be working Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time Zone hours. You don't have to live in the Eastern Time Zone, just translate your local hours to those hours. And they tell us right here on this job description, your pay starts at $17 per hour. And remember, if you have a high school diploma or a GED, you don't need any experience. So that does it for this job. Let's move on to the next. And that one is with Magna Legal Services. So this is for a billing coordinator SOP. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And I'm going to scroll down this job description because they tell us right here on this job lead, they're going to pay you $20 to $25 per hour. So this job is not requiring related work experience. They have some preferences. I'll go into all that in just a minute. You'll be responsible for managing the daily flow of invoices from the affiliate process servers and ensure accurate, timely billing operations within the Service of Process division. This role supports the finance operations teams by facilitating payment workflows, maintaining organized records, and helping track affiliate performance and coverage. And they tell us the ideal candidate is detail-oriented, proactive, and able to manage a high volume of transactional tasks while maintaining accuracy and efficiency. So you'll review and process 60 to 90 incoming invoices daily through Serve Manager and QuickBooks and confirm accuracy of billed services and ensure pricing aligns with pre-approved rates. You'll submit invoices for approval and initiate payments, including credit card prepayments when necessary, communicate with affiliate process servers to resolve discrepancies and maintain payment schedules, assist in developing and maintaining pricing structures and standardized billing templates, and track affiliate service coverage areas and associated costs using Excel and internal tools. You'll also identify trends in billing data to support margin analysis and operational improvements, and support timely weekly payment cycles to sustain strong affiliate relationships. To qualify for this job, they prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have prior experience in billing, accounting, or administrative finance. And again, that's just preferred, it's not required. And they strongly prefer, but they don't require, they strongly prefer you have proficiency with QuickBooks, Serve Manager, or similar workflow invoice platforms. You're skilled in Microsoft Excel, including spreadsheet creation and maintenance. You're organized, you're a good communicator, you're able to work independently and meet high volume deadlines. And it's a plus but not required. It's a plus you have a background in litigation support or service of process. So that does it for this one. In fact, we just went over 3 work from home jobs that really don't require any related work experience. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more, check out this video right here. Good luck to all of you who apply. And as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.